In this video, I'm going to cover oligopolies and game theory. In oligopolies, there are a few large producers, usually less than 10. Their products are identical or differentiated. There are high barriers to entry. They have control over their price, so they're price makers. And there's mutual interdependence, and this is what distinguishes this market structure from the others. So firms use strategic planning. The types of barriers for this market structure include economies of scale. They have high startup costs and ownership of raw materials. Game theory is the study of how people behave in strategic situations. An understanding of game theory helps firms in an oligopoly maximize their profit. Since oligopolies are interdependent, they have to anticipate and react to the decision of competitors. So pricing and output decisions have to be strategic to avoid economic losses, and game theory helps us with that strategy. Imagine that you're competing against another firm. You have two choices, to price high or to price low. Based on this matrix, what do you think you would do? Notice that you have an incentive to collude, but there's also an incentive to cheat on your agreement. Nash equilibrium refers to the optimal outcome that will occur when both firms make decisions simultaneously and they have no incentive to change. So in this case, Nash equilibrium would be for firm 2 to price low and firm 1 to price high. Pause the video and see if you can determine which firm has a dominant strategy. Firm 1 does not have a dominant strategy, so they are going to do something different based on what Firm 2 does. Firm 2 does have a dominant strategy, and that strategy is to price low. Oligopolies have to worry about their competition. They have a tendency to collude to gain profit. Collusion is the act of cooperating with rivals in order to rig a situation, and it's illegal. Collusion results in an incentive to cheat. Firms make informed decisions based on their dominant strategies. Here's a practice question, and the answer is E.